next process we are going to look at is transportation. This is where the eroded soil, stones and pebbles, sediments, is moved from higher up the river into the lower course of the river, from upstream to downstream. There are 4 processes in transportation. The very first one is traction. After that it is saltation. We will then look at suspension, and we will finally look at solution. The very first one is traction. Traction is where large boulders roll along the bottom of the river. As they roll along the bottom of the river or stream, they bounce against each other. As they bounce against each other, they chip and get smaller and get rounder. As they get more rounder, so it's easier for them to go downstream. The next one we will look at is saltation. This is where the little stones and pebbles and rocks bounce down. As they bounce down, they have more energy and they bounce against each other. And the next one is suspension. This is where soil dissolves into the water and it changes the colour of the water. In this video there's a very good example where you can see at the bottom is a very, very black, murky liquid, whereas at the top it's crystal clear because there is the suspension of soil within it. The last one is the solution. This is where minerals dissolve into the water. Sometimes it changes the colour, sometimes it doesn't. These are the 4 processes that are used to move soil from one place to another, or not just soil but rocks and pebbles, sediment as we call it, from one part of the river further down the river.